Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix Samsung Cloud Backup fail error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to take backup of your data or you try to use the Samsung Cloud Backup, you might get that your backup has been failed. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to connect with a different stable or strongest network connection, because sometimes it might be if your internet is not stable or it's not strongest, so you might get these type of errors. So you have to make sure that your internet is working well, and once I've done, just go back. Now go to settings app here, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode or your flight mode for almost a single time, and then you can retry to get backup if you're still facing the same issue. So you can try to go to software update section, make sure that your software is up to date, click on check for updates, you check for the pending software updates, and once your software has been completely updated, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to apps here. Now you don't need to try to use your Samsung Cloud Backup. When you do this, tap the very first, click on this start icon, click on this toggle to enable show system apps, click OK. Now just go to search here and search for cloud. Once you search for cloud, you might get something cloud here, click on it, go to storage, and in storage clear cache, and you can also try to clear that off your Samsung Cloud app. Now once you have done this, go back and retry to take backup of your data. If you're still facing the same issue, go to Samsung Cloud App Info again, click on this force stop option, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your app, you don't need to open your app again or try to take backup again. You just have to scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, you can easily try to get back up using something cloud without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.